Welcome to IDS 423, Instructional Design. I'm Glenn LeBlanc.
And I'm Khusro Kedwai. We look forward to working with you. We'll begin by introducing ourselves. Then we'll talk about the course and the approach we've taken designing it. I'm recording this video from Chicago.
And I'm in Maine. Khusro and I have been friends and colleagues for some time now. In fact, we first met in Maine when we both worked for the University of Maine system.
Although my early academic training is in physics, I did my doctoral work in the field of instructional systems at Penn State. I was a research associate at Penn State for a couple of years, and then a director for the Center for Technology Enhanced Learning at the University of Southern Maine. I'm currently at the School of Professional Studies at Northwestern University. I'm the assistant dean for distance learning for our school.
And I did my graduate work at Syracuse in instructional design, development, and evaluation. In the early 1980s, I was a Peace Corps volunteer science teacher in Cameroon. Most recently, I was a senior instructional designer in the University of Maine system for over 20 years. I'm currently a freelance learning designer for Northwestern's School of Professional Studies.
Thank you, Glenn. Well, that's enough about us. We next invite you to share your own background in our first discussion forum.
Now, a bit about the course. We approach instructional design as a systematic process, and we'll introduce a classic ID model that you'll find to be relevant in a wide variety of contexts, whether traditional face-to-face or online, in educational, corporate, or not-for-profit environments.
As a field, instructional design has a strong and enduring theoretical foundation. At the same time, the field is dynamically evolving. In fact, given the rapid evolution in learning technologies in recent years, instructional designers now have access to an ever-increasing toolkit. We'll consider the impact of these developments as well in this course.
As the course textbook, we'll be using the 8th edition of an old standard, The Systematic Design of Instruction by Dick, Carey, and Carey. Other readings will supplement the text, and you'll find all of these readings in the course reserves section of our Canvas site.
We learn by doing and from each other. Learning is also a process that requires lots of practice and feedback. We've designed this course with some of these principles in mind. You'll find in this course discussion activities and practice activities interspersed throughout the course, and an instructional design project. For the ID project, you'll work in a team. Teamwork, as we learn, is a core instructional designer competency.
We're committed to make this term a productive and enjoyable experience for you. So please don't hesitate to email us or to post to the Ask Your Instructor discussion forum, and we'll get back with you within 24 hours. If you think your question is one that one of your classmates can answer, we've provided an Ask Your Peers forum.
Finally, have a look at the course syllabus and the course roadmap, and make sure you introduce yourself.
We'll see you online.